Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a word problem that wants us to write an equation in order to solve it and determine um, what is the solution here. So this is a problem from CPMs, and this is course 3, so CC3, and this is section 9.2.2, number 9-76. So it says the Wild West Frontier Park now offers an unlimited day pass. So for $29, visitors can go on as many rides as they want. The original plan charged visitors $8.75 to enter the park, plus $2.25 for each ride. So write an equation to determine the number of rides that would make the total cost equal for both plans. Solve your equation. So if I think about what I'm dealing with, if I want to know, I'm actually trying to figure out the number of rides, right? Determine the number of rides. So that's going to be my x. My x is going to be the number of rides. And that's my x. So I can create an expression right here. The original plan, if I look at the original plan, its expression would be what? It's 875 to enter plus 225 per ride. So that's going to be 225x. So it would be the expression to represent the original plan based on x being the number of rides. We don't know how many rides that we're dealing with, so I'll call it x. So 225 per ride, so that's the multiplication, plus the actual entry fee, which is a one-time constant charge. So I want to know, it says, when will the total cost equal for both plans? Well, the other plan is just simply $29, and $29 gets them into the park and unlimited rides. So there's really no X involved in that because it's $29. It's a fixed price, and you can ride as many rides as you want. So I'm going to know, when is this plan equal to the new plan? And the new plan, we said, was just $29. So I just have to solve that equation there. That's what I need to do. Create this equation where I want to know how many rides will it take in the original plan to be equal to the new plan. So I'm going to solve this equation, subtract 875 from both sides. So I get 2.25x is equal to, subtract that, looks like I'm going to get 20.25. So $29 minus, right? So if I can add two zeros in there, $29 minus $8.75 gives me $20.25. And then divide both sides by 225. So I got to figure out what is $20.25 divided by 225, and it gives me 9. So that division is 9. So what does that say? So at 9 rides, the original plan would be equal to the cost of the new plan. So we'll write that down. So at 9 rides, the original plan would equal the cost of the new plan. So in other words, as well, you could say that the new plan is worth it if you're going to ride more than 9 rides. If you're riding less than 9 rides, then you probably would prefer the original plan. But if you're going to ride more than 9, in which that makes sense, then the new plan is the way to go. All right. There we go.